Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, a smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with an elegant design. Let's explore every feature and specification in detail. Design and build. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has a sleek and robust design. It measures 162.5 by 74.7 by 8.8 millimeters and weighs between 205 grams and 210 grams, depending on the variant. The device comes with a glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and two options for the back, a glass back, Gorilla Glass 7i, or a silicone polymer back, Eco Leather. It's IP68 dust and water resistant, and it even meets the IP69K standard, making it one of the most durable smartphones on the market. Available in Titan Black, Phantom Purple, Spectre Blue, White, and green, the color options cater to a wide range of tastes. Display. The phone boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, HDR10 Plus, and Dolby Vision. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It supports an always-on display feature. The brightness peaks at an impressive 3000 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, equipped with a 6200 mAh silicon carbon SiO2, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus ensures long-lasting performance. It supports 90 watts wired fast charging. The camera setup is truly remarkable, featuring a triple camera system, 50 megapixel wide camera, f1.6 aperture, 24mm lens, ideal for everyday photography. 1.55 sensor with 1.0mm pixel size for detailed shots, includes PDF and OIS for stability and focus. 50 megapixel telephoto camera, f2.0 aperture, 60mm lens, and 2.5x optical zoom, great for portrait and zoom photography. 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, f2.2 aperture, 15mm lens, and 120D field of view, perfect for landscapes. The phone can record at 4K resolution at 2430 fps, 1080p resolution at 3060 120 fps, with gyro EIS and OIS for stability. Selfie camera. The 20 megapixel front camera with an f2.2 aperture and 21mm wide lens is perfect for selfies. It supports video recording at 1080p resolution at 3060 fps. Platform and performance. Running on Android 14 with Hyper OS, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus promises smooth performance and up to 3 major Android upgrades. It is powered by the Qualcomm SM7635 Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process for efficiency and speed. Memory options. The device offers multiple configurations, 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB 16GB RAM. However, it does not have a microSD card slot for expandable storage. For connectivity, the phone includes NFC support, an infrared port, a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's everything you need to know about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. From its stunning display and robust build to its powerful cameras and long-lasting battery, this phone is packed with features. If you're looking for a device that delivers on all fronts, this might just be the one for you. Let us know in the comments what feature excites you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.